With the injury to Jalek Swoll taking him out of the East Coast Regional, Rockstar Husqvarna 250 team has their backup in their young, I don't know how you want to call it, futures prospect Talon Hawkins, who's been running the Husqvarna for the last 3 years now, since 2019, with the team manager Nathan Ramsey saying, quote, "We are very happy to give Talon this opportunity, and he has been working very hard, squeezing in as much SX riding as possible to be ready if he got the call to be moved to a pro team to fill in. Talon is always ready and willing to do anything we ask, so we're excited to get him out there with the big boys and mix it up. There will be a steep learning curve, but we believe that he's up for the task." So obviously Jalek Swoll broke his arm very badly in practice grass, so he'll be out for, who knows how long, at least the whole East Regional. So it's good for them as the team to say, hey, we didn't have a rider, we already have somebody in a position to move up. We don't have to go sign somebody else or a privateer or whatever. We can give this kid the chance, and who knows? He finished third last week in the futures round at A2, so he led some races. He looked fast, and it's a good thing for them. You've already been trading this kid. There's no point in signing somebody else and leaving him on the sidelines when you've already got that prospect and that talent right there. So good job for them, and not good job for him, but good luck to him. So in the comments below, tell me how you think he's going to do. Just getting into it, getting some speed up, or is he actually going to be competitive? Whatever it is, you tell me in the comments below. Make sure to like, share, subscribe as you're down there. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.